What's up, YouTube? So I am making a new song. It's coming out. Probably not gonna be. So it's gonna be called. Can You Hold My Keys? So, and then like there's another one. Snip, snip. There goes your eyeball, and then like drip, drip goes the sink. The first one's Can You Hold My Keys? Can you hold my keys? You gotta clap, so like it's gotta be like, can you hold my keys? 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 The other one is snip, snip goes your eyeball, yeah. 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 Snip, snip, snips, yeah. Snip, snip goes your eyeball, yeah. And the other one is drip, drip, sink. It's like drip, drip goes the sink, yeah. Drip, drip goes the sink, yeah. Drip, drip goes the sink. Yeah, drip, drip, 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 goes the sink. Yeah. I'm like saying my time again. So wait. So if you put all those songs together, it's like straight fire. So it's like, can you hold drop, 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 drop goes the sink. Yeah. Drip, drip, drip goes the sink. Yeah. Can you hold my keys? Yeah. Snip, snip goes your eyeball. Yeah. Snip, snip goes your eyeball. Yeah.